a list of little things I'd like to throw out there. Everybody that pulls a horse trailer or drives a truck needs some bolt cutters in your truck. You never know when you're going to run over a piece of wire and wrap it around the wheel. Your horse is going to get hung up something in the trailer and you need to cut it with bolt cutters. You can cut just about anything with those. So everybody needs a set of bolt cutters.
You could hit somebody with it too.
That's right. Your gooseneck ball in the back of your truck, you need to grease that so that when it's rubbing on the trailer, it's got some lubricant on it. Lubricate all your latches and locks on your trailer. So many times we just neglect those, and it does not hurt to squirt them full of WD-40. People say, oh, that gets grit in there. I do that on ours all the time. It makes a huge difference. Your electric jack that's on the front of your horse trailer that you push a button and lift your trailer up with. If you have a malfunction of your batteries or you blow a fuse to something and you don't know what it is, every horse trailer that comes with an electric jack comes with a handle. And there is a way, and you probably have an owner's manual in that trailer of that jack, but there is a way to manually lift that jack without the use of your electric motor and your pump so that you can get it off your truck or whatever else until repairs can be made. And a lot of people don't know that. There's always a way to jack that up manually. You may have to take a little cover off, but the mechanism is under there to do that. On your holding tanks in your living quarters, you should be overly anal about that. I mean, if you use your trailer at all, when you get home, whatever facility you have to dump that out, dump it, rinse it, dump it, rinse it, and then put it. You don't ever want to just leave those dry because that's when they start stinking. And then the first time you go to the restroom in there, it goes right to the bottom and sticks. So you always want to put about a half an inch or an inch of water in your holding tank with your chemical after using your trailer when you're prepping it for your next trip, and that way you're ready. So don't ever let that black holding tank, the one for the sewage, don't let it be dry. That's the worst thing you can do, and it'll give you that smell. That's another thing a lot of people don't think about. As far as for the winter, I'm sure some of y'all have had pipes burst. There's always a way to drain that water system. We don't ever put the antifreeze in ours and flush it through the lines. We just find the valves and find the ways to drain it back. Open all your faucets and then open the ones down by the water heater and let all that water just run out. That way you don't have a problem with it freezing. Unless I know one person that leaves the heater in hers all winter.
I wonder who that could be.